guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Nubia Neo. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display. Now we can go to the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just expand the app, like this one for example, and hold the finger. Now choose the place on the home screen for it. If you want to delete the widget, just hold the finger and choose delete. Now we can jump to the effects. This is the effect when you're swiping the pages, so choose your favorite one and just go back to apply this effect. Now we can go to the personalization. There we have a lot of things to change, like icons. You can choose the home mono icons or just choose the original one. We can also change the animation, the speed of the animation, if you want to make your phone a little bit faster for your eye, and also the font, the size and the weight of it. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. We have a new folder, we can now open it, change the name of it in this place, or add more apps. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps from it. Just bring back to the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. That was a like or a comment, and goodbye.